Uh-oh, your cats can't feed themselves. Looks like you need a procedure. Miss Silence's super professional procedure for crazy cat ladies. How to feed your cats. Meow. Goal. If you follow these instructions, you will learn how to feed your cats, keeping them healthy, happy, and out of the pantry. Materials. You will need 1 bag of meat, 1 chopping board, a sharp knife, and 2 small bowls. Oh, I almost forgot. You'll also need 2 hungry cats.
We're hungry. Feed us. Meow.
Step 1. Carefully tip the meat out of the bag onto the chopping board. It's pretty gross. Step 2. Cautiously slice the meat into small pieces with the sharp knife. Step 3. Evenly share the meat into the 2 small bowls. You have to use your fingers, and it's pretty gross. Step 4. Gently place the bowls of food on the floor and watch the cats enjoy their disgusting feast of meat. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Special tip: don't feed your cat human food or he might vomit on your bed. The end.